Hey everyone, let's get started with Rube, the tool that connects hundreds of apps right inside your chat. First, go to Rube.app and click Install Rube. Select your chat app and copy the URL. Now navigate to your chat app settings and find the Connectors section. Click on Add Custom Connector. Here, paste the URL you copied earlier. Click Add, and Rube is now in your list of connectors. Now, you can start using it. Let's try an example, like check my Luma emails and recommend the top 3 events to go to in San Francisco. Connect Rube to your other apps, like in this case, Gmail. The connection step happens only once. After connecting, Rube analyzes your Luma emails and shows top event recommendations with dates, times, and locations directly in chat. And that's it. That's how you get started with Rube and connect your apps to your chat. Thanks for watching.